What's up, you guys? This is Allison. Today I'm going to be touching base on one of our 6 styling pucks. Alright, you guys, this is going to be my product of choice. I'm going to use our level 3 transparent pomade. It's going to go ahead and give him a nice shine and an extreme hold. Keeping in mind that this keratin-infused pomade will keep the hair hydrated and keeping the waves in place. In applying this product, I'm going to put a dime size in my palm, warm it up, and distribute it all throughout the hair. Alright, you guys, this is our final look using our level 3 keratin-infused pomade.
Say hello to shine and hold. Upgrade any style with our keratin-infused hair pomade for healthier and strong hair. This gives hair a brilliant, long-lasting shine with no greasiness or residue.